Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day today, not necessarily because the price was red or anything like that, but just from the technical point of view, a couple of key dynamics happened, and that first big dynamic that occurred was that the price broke down below that pink line there, which on my chart denotes a very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and that's one of those areas where even if you have a surface deep basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that level, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see it act as support, and that just didn't quite happen today. The price broke down below there, and then you can see the results of that. Picked up quite a bit of downwards pressure. So that also is what segues into the first key level of resistance, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, that first key level to watch very closely now is going to be right up there at $54, and we'll call it 75 cents. So keep an eye on that. Like I said, if there is any sort of attempted consolidation and then movement to the upside, and that'll be a good indicator of just how really strong or weak any sort of attempted movement actually is. As far as levels of support are concerned, got to squeeze things down here quite a bit. Next level of support to now to keep an eye on going to be down in here at the bottom part of that former consolidation area right there at the $48 mark. And then after 48, next key level down there right around 46.50. So as of right now, yeah, there's no doubt about it. There's some selling pressure that has shown up. There's this downwards channel that has formed. So at this point, it's really just a question of where is this downwards channel finally going to level out and potentially turn around. And these next couple of green lines right there offer some insight into some potential areas. Nothing's guaranteed, but they're at least valid and logical areas to say, yeah, maybe the price will finally start to turn around at those levels. So let's see what happens with this one moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.